If you don't like fiddling with cables but still want to play Xbox on your monitor, then check out these simple alternatives. First up, if your monitor has DisplayPort, grab an HDMI to DisplayPort adapter. This gives you smooth, high-quality video, perfect for modern screens. Got an older monitor? Use a VGA adapter. Just remember, VGA only handles video. For sound, you'll need separate speakers or headphones. For DVI-only monitors, an HDMI to DVI adapter does the trick. Like VGA, DVI doesn't carry audio, so plan for that extra sound setup. Or skip the cables entirely. Stream your Xbox straight to a Windows laptop using the Xbox app. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi and connect your controller to the laptop. For really old TVs, use AV cables with an HDMI to AV converter. It won't look the best, but hey, it works. Remember, check adapter quality, match your monitor's resolution, and set up audio separately if needed. No HDMI? No problem, game on.